In this video, I'll show you how you can fix high ping in Roblox. Now this is really simple, guys. What you want to do is head over to the Chrome Web Store and download BT Roblox. Now it has 4 million users, as you can see, so it's really safe. Just add it to your Chrome and then come to Roblox. Now once you've added it, you need to reload your page and these will pop up, and that means it is installed. You want to head up here, find BT Roblox, scroll down and choose Advanced, and then click on the drop down menu and choose Ping. Once you've done that, simply reload your page again and find the server you want to play on. Let's say I wanted to play this one. I would scroll all the way down, and in here I can see the servers with the ping. So I would simply find the server with the lowest ping, which is the one best for me. So I can filter it and I can see this one has only 32 ping, so I would join that one instead of this one. So that's basically how you can fix it in Roblox, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.